Time now for a look at your health, and everyone knows it takes a lot of maintenance to keep our bodies looking good. And today we tackle one of the dreadful chores of looking good in the spring and summer, unwanted body hair. And for that, we are joined by Dr. Mitchell Goldman from UCSD. Thank you for being here.
Good to be here.
Let's start with laser versus wax, because those are probably the two most common options, are they not?
Yes.
What are the differences in terms of success and pain and all of that?
Yeah, well, waxing's been around for decades and centuries, and it's basically just ripping the hair out, and it rips it out by the roots. And you know, it's a little bit painful. The hair comes back because all you're doing is basically shearing it off. But lasers are very different. Oh, the other thing with waxing is sometimes you can get those bumps, which are basically when the hairs are trying to come back through the damaged root. You get these bumps, and if you have waxing in the bikini area, that could be a little unsightly. So lasers are a new way to go, and we've had laser hair removal for about the last 8-10 years, and it's usually done in a doctor's office. But now many companies are coming out with real lasers that you can purchase.
I thought this was a travel blow dryer, and this is, you can have your own laser at home.
You can have your own laser at home, and it actually works. Now, it doesn't work as well as what you can get in a doctor's office, and it's not as quick because, I don't know if you can see, but the head of the laser is much, much smaller than normal, but it actually works well. And so
it's permanent results, correct?
Well, permanent is a relative term. It's only permanent if you go outside and you get killed. But it's seriously, permanent is usually lasts for a few years. What I tell my patients is you get a laser hair removal done, you know, in the spring, and then it'll get you totally clear for the entire summer.
We have a picture of a before and after of someone's back, and we want to...
That's actually my back.
Okay.
My back has probably been lasered by more different lasers as we've developed different technologies, but you know, it lasts for years and years, and so I don't have gorilla back.
And tell me how, or excuse me, what areas are best served by lasers?
You know, virtually any area. There are new lasers now that work really, really fast, so you can treat your entire back in 15 minutes or an entire leg. Yeah, so it's really quick.
But you have to have several sessions, right?
Usually we recommend 2 to 3 sessions, and then you use the at-home lasers to touch things up.
And what is the general cost if you want to get one of those sessions and get your leg hair removed? Or
It really all depends on where you're going. It could be as low as a few $100s to maybe $400 or $500 per session, and count on at least 2 to 3 sessions.
And now we're going to meld laser hair removal with cycling, because you're a big cyclist, and this is Bike Month. Tell us a little bit about that. It is
Bike Month, and you can see most cyclists will actually, that's me, and most cyclists will shave their legs, and the reason we shave our legs is really to intimidate our opponents so that they see our muscles. But you can see here, you can laser the hair off your legs, and you're not seeing like smoke coming up, and I'm really doing it, and you can do this in the privacy of your home. Just a little teeny sting, but I'm not yelling, and I'm not crying. I don't know if the tears are coming down. Okay, here we go, real time.
Oh, okay.
No.
Barely feel anything.
Yeah, and you know, over here, see, it works really well. So, you know, maybe one of the other co-anchors, if he needs a little touching up. I don't know who that could be. But,
I think that's the official toss over to you, Lauren. It wasn't me. It was him.
I'll be interested when it has a reverse mode.
You know, one day.
One day. Thank you.
Thank you.